guys, what's up? Today we are gonna play with some slime. Okay, so it's really good. So listen carefully. So thank you guys for watching. If you like that sound effect, then
I want to see that.